Hi, I'm excited to be introducing the Mom's Stress Buster Kit to you. So I believe that we moms are some of the hardest working people, right? But I believe that in the past couple of months, the intensity of our work has really kicked up a couple of notches with us working from home, okay, especially those working moms. But at the same time, the kids are home, so we're responsible for their education, making sure that all the schoolwork are done while still be working, cleaning, cooking, doing everything that we moms do nonstop. So it has been a very intense time for us. So that's why I have developed this Stress Buster kit specifically for the moms. Now, but what is unique about this kit is that the oils that I have selected are actually aimed at the root cause. We're actually aiming at decongesting the organs that actually house those emotions. So in Chinese medicine, each organ is connected to a specific emotions. And I'm going to show it to you in the screen right here. So we believe that, when someone is angry, they're irritated, it means that the liver is congested. And when in Chinese, we actually says that when someone is easily angered, we actually says that the liver fire is a little too strong. So we would then create some herbal teas and to let them drink it to lower that liver fire. So that's the idea. With each organ, it's associated with an emotions, and the oils that I've selected in this Stress Buster kit actually would address each of those emotions through the organ. So we're working directly at the root cause, and we believe that as we nurture the health of those organs, those undesirable emotions will actually be dissolved. So this is how it's going to work. So we have the first oil here, that is cardamom. Cardamom is a great oil for the liver. So as we're talking about just now, liver houses the emotions of anger. So cardamom is a great oil for decongesting the liver. And all you do when you feel like you're just so frustrated, so angry at yourself, at the kiddos, at the husband, who knows, right? All you need to do is to put a few drops of cardamom in your palm, rub them together, and then rub them on your liver. Liver is on the left-hand side, right below your rib cage. And you can also diffuse it in a diffuser, okay? So you can do that to support your liver, and as you do it consistently, you will notice that you won't get so frustrated or angry easily. And it's also because cardamom, it's a great oil also for our digestive health. It also helps us digest the emotions very easily. So it also helps with promoting positive thinking. So that's why I love using cardamom in the house. The second oil in the kit is juniper berry. So as you saw from the chart, our kidneys hold the emotions of fear. Now, in this time, this really uncertain times, there's a lot of fear going around us. Even if we ourselves don't have that, there's so much going on around us. How do we navigate through this? What is things going to happen? Even when will things going to go back to normal, right? Or what will normal be in the future? So there's so much fear and an uncertainty around. We really need to nurture our kidneys to support that. So juniper berry, it's like the tonic for our kidneys. And all you need to do is to put a few drops of juniper berry in your palm, rub them together, and then rub them on your lower back. This is where your kidneys are. And that is going to help support our kidneys and to help dispel some of those fearful feelings amongst us, okay? So we took care of the fear there. And the third thing that we moms actually do a lot is to worry. We overthink things, we worry about things, worry things for our kids, for our families, for their health. So how do we really manage that? Because as you're constantly in that overthinking mode, your stress level is just continue to stay up there. So we are going to be using basil, and we put them on the adrenals. So Chinese medicine, your spleen is the oils that would do a lot of the worrying and the overthinking, and also adrenals will do some of that as well. So we will use basil, and I like to couple that with wild orange. These two are a perfect combo for the adrenals. You would put 3 to 4 drops each in your palm, rub them together, and then put them on your adrenals. The adrenals sit on top of the kidney, so it's just right there on the lower back. What it does is that basil provides that sense of hope and renewal, so we don't have to keep thinking and worrying about things. And wild orange is the oil of abundance and happiness. I just love the uplifting aroma of wild orange. It really makes you feel happy and joyful. So the combination of the basil and the wild orange together is going to uplift your moods. And when you apply it on your adrenals, it helps to kind of tone down that worrying attitude that we tend to have, okay? So, and another oil that we have in this mix is lavender. We're all familiar with lavender being soothing and calming and relaxing, and we can all use that, right? Especially when we're stressed. Hey, let's bring lavender in to address that. But what we are also going to do is to put lavender on our heart, because our heart is the organs that actually would facilitate and promotes joy and gratitude. When you think about it, when you're in that zone of being in gratitude and being joyful, you don't experience stress that much because your mind is already being grateful for what's around you. So your stress level will come down. So another way to combat stress is to cultivate the attitude of gratitude. And one of the ways to do that is to use lavender to put it on your heart, because it will help promote the joy and the gratitude in your heart. At the same time, lavender is also really good in helping us voice out our needs, to communicate the needs that we have. Because I understand that we moms, we don't like to talk about our needs because we go around all day taking care of everybody else. Our needs kind of just get pushed down by ourselves, okay? So by using lavender, it is going to help us draw that out and also have the courage to voice out, hey, mommy just need 5 minutes to be on my own, okay? So let's not bug me for 5 minutes. So that would actually allow you to have the courage and just know that it's okay for us to voice out your needs. So lavender is positive for that. And then with the Stress Buster Kit, you will get an oil for free, and that is the Adaptive Roller. I love this roller. I use it regularly for managing my emotions, and also by allowing me to adapt to whatever life throws at me. And we all know that life is throwing a lot at us these days, right? So by using Adaptive, whether this is a roll-on that you'll be getting, so I like putting it on my wrist here, and that helps me, and I inhale it deeply. And this is very helpful because it also helps with managing healthy GABA levels. And what that means is that it helps really balance our central nervous system so that, again, we're not constantly in the stress and overwhelmed mode. We really use that to tone it down so that we can actually think clearer. We don't have that, all of those worries and stressful thinking always in our head. So with these 6 oils, they're in the Stress Buster Kit. They're going to address the organs that house the different emotions, and at the same time just kind of allow those emotions to be dispelled and for us to start thinking positively, less stress and less overwhelmed. And at the same time, when you get this kit, you will have a 30-minute wellness consultation with me. So I will walk you through how to use these oils one by one to address the specific emotional needs that you have. And also you will get the protocol in a card, so you can just kind of refer back to it, and you will be in my VIP group where you will get continued education to learn more about how to use these oils and to get offers like this. So take a look at the details below this, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. And I hope that you take advantage of this Mom's Stress Buster Kit. Take care.